Hello, in this video, we will learn how to easily convert a Facebook account into a page. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on to receive updates. First, open the Facebook application. Tap on the three horizontal lines. Navigate to the profile section. Scroll down. As you can see, I have 296 friends, and now I will easily convert them into followers, thus converting your personal account into a Facebook page. First, click here. The professional mode has been enabled. Now, click on Get Started. Now, we will go back to the profile section. As you can see, my personal account has been converted into a Facebook page, and the friends have been converted into followers easily. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe now and enable notifications to receive updates. See you in the next video.